Do you want to take Charlie to Brighton today?
Do you want to go?
Yeah.
You don't, you should be boring.
No, I want to go. We'll take Charlie.
What's going to happen if you take Charlie? Every 3 seconds someone will stop as we walk along the promenade.
Saying what?
What dog is he, Newfoundland? How old is he? 3 years in January. How much does he weigh? 14.5 stone. How much does he eat? He eats a bag that big of every meal of stock food every single day, thanks for asking. How big was he when you first got him? You could fit him into a matchbox. Does he walk very much? No, not at all. No. How much room does he take up on your bed? He doesn't go upstairs, because we used to have a staircase, but now he knows not to go upstairs. We've trained him. Now run along. Next, please.